Well, Christmas came early this year. We got a snowstorm, and I couldn't resist. Got to take out the STI, try it out for the first time in snow. Honestly, I've driven all-wheel drive cars before, but never in the winter. So this is pretty awesome. It is snowing like crazy out. Sorry about the bad lighting in here. Don't worry, that's another project we're gonna get to. But yeah, we're gonna go out and do just a little bit of driving around. Hopefully grab a couple nice videos of the car in action. But yeah, Christmas came early. At a special location here in Mexico. As you can see, the snow is blowing wildly around, and quite a bit has fallen already. Building reps. Session, having some fun, but yeah, basically it's a bit of a blowy night, as we call it up here. It's a bit of a blowy. After wearing out our welcome, we decided to jump over to our other special location. This beautiful little lane is just perfect for ripping in the snow. Building reps. That was a nice little cruise. We got the car out. First time in the snow with it. It rips. Also figured out the boost leak. That was my boo-boo on not torquing down the blow-off valve completely. So now she pulls really hard, and it's quite a handful in snow actually. So Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy holidays. Happy Hanukkah. Whatever you're ending the year off with. I hope you're finding it yourself safe, happy, and with hopefully some people who love you. Until then, we're gonna sign off, but I'm so happy. I'm so happy.